I spent 5 unforgettable years in the Patterson Institute as a postdoc, and one day I was walking in the corridor and found an article on the notice board next to our office. Started reading it, and the title included a name, László Lajtha, which sounded very Hungarian, so I realized he must have some Hungarian connections or roots. So actually he grew up in Budapest, and later he moved to the UK and did his PhD in Oxford. After that he came up to Manchester and became the first full director of the unit which was called at the time as Research at the Christie Hospital, and he kept this position for over 20 years. He was also the editor and chairman of the British Journal of Cancer for over 10 years, and it was him who named the new research building Patterson Laboratories after the first directors. He not only developed the ongoing research on genetics, chemotherapy and biophysical chemistry, but he also introduced his own interest in experimental hematology, particularly the control of cell proliferation and the concept of the stem cell. Recently we're just starting to see the importance of stem cell, and particularly cancer stem cells and their role in metastasis, which actually became one of our latest and biggest challenge in cancer research these days. Professor Lajtha loved art and music. Actually his father was a well-known composer bearing the same name, and he also liked ancient Japanese poetry. David Harnden, the second director of the Patterson, said about Lajtha that he would sometimes circulate poems between his friends from time to time, and shortly before he passed away he gave the following verses to them. Gnarled old roots stretching between and over the rocks, holding fast the tree, skyward reach the new branches, future growing on the past.